Assalamualaikum children, how are you today? Alhamdulillah, that's a wonderful. Okay children, before we start our lesson today, let's sit nicely in a circle and recite Surah Al-Fatiha and Salawat, alright? Okay, alright everyone, hands together, eyes closed, and let's start with Surah Al-Fatiha. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Okay, now children, let's send our love to Prophet Muhammad by reciting the salawat together. Okay, follow teacher, okay? Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. Very good, my dear children. When we recite salawat, Allah will give us blessing and rewards. So always remember to recite salawat every day. Okay? Okay, now let's greet everyone together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, my lovely children. You all look so cheerful today. Are you ready to learn and have fun together? Excellent. Let's start our learning time with big smile. Okay, alright children. Today we will learn about animals. Do you still remember the 5 animals we learned before? Okay, good. Can anyone tell me one animal that you remember? Okay, number 1. Cat. Good. Sheep. Oh, good. Cow. Yeah. Bird. The last one. Elephant. Good. You all have a good memory. Now let's listen carefully to this video, okay? It will play the sound of animal. Are you ready? Let's go.
The Good Kids Company. What sound does a dog make? What sound does a cat make?
Meow, meow, meow.
What sound does a cow make?
Moo, moo.
What sound does a bird make?
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
What sound does a pig make?
Oink,
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 oink.
oink, oink, oink. What sound does a horse make? What sound does a wolf make? What sound does a snake make? Hiss, hiss, hiss. What sound does a frog make? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit,
Ribbit,
ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. What sound does a whale make? What sound does an owl make?
Ooh,
What sound does a sheep make?
ba, ba, ba.
What sound does a chicken make? What sound does a bee make? What sound does a monkey make?
Ooh, ah.
What sound does a lion make?
Roar, roar.
Sound of your
Okay, good job everyone. So let's move to the activity.
Okay, everyone. So we already know the sounds of these the five, all the five animals that have been learned before, which is we have lion, snake. Next, we have dog. We have cat, and the last one we have chicken. So now we are going to play one activity. Do you want to play? Yes. Okay. Good job, everyone. So this game is you have to guess the sounds the animals that we have learned before. Okay. We play audio, so you have to guess the sounds. Okay. Okay, so you guys, if you want to guess the sounds, you have to raise your hand and you have to choose the correct animal in front of me, which is from my flashcard. Okay, so let's get started. Listen carefully. Okay, I will repeat again. Who want to guess? Raise your hand. Okay, you want to guess the sounds? Okay, which one? The correct animal. Chicken. Yes, good job. That sound is chicken sounds. Clap your hands. Okay, next. Let's go for the next sound. What sound is that? Listen carefully. I will repeat again. Who knows the sound is this? What sound is this? Sorry. Do you want to answer? Okay. Which one? The correct animal. Lion. Good job. The sound is lion sounds. Okay, clap your hands. Okay, next. What sound is this? Listen carefully. Who want to guess the sounds? Cat? No, it's not cat. It was dog. Right, that is dog sounds. Okay, good job, everyone. Okay, so now, I want you listen carefully. I will not help you at all. So if you listen to these sounds and you want to guess, you just raise your hand and tell the correct one. Okay? Okay, let's go. This is the famous and very easy. Who want to guess? You want to guess? Okay, what sound is this? Cat. Good job. This sound is for cat. Okay, next. Okay, the last one we have. What is that? Snake. Okay, good job. The last one is snake. So we already know all the animals that we have learned before. And you guys is very amazing. You can guess all the sounds. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay guys, now I will teach you a little bit. If I say the name of the animal, you guys need to make a sound of that animal. So are you guys ready? Yes. Okay. The first animal is cat. What is sound of a cat? Yes, good job guys. Then what is tiger sounds? Ooh, so scary. Next is snake. Okay, I love it. How about chicken? Good job guys. Excellent. And the last one is duck. What is duck's sound? quick? Okay, wonderful. Thank you all. You are so clever and good job. Clap your hand to yourself. So you guys, today we learn an animal sounds. We learn sound of cat, lion, snake, chicken, and lastly duck. Did you guys enjoy it? Yes, so before we end our class, let's salawat together. Sallallahu ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, sallallahu ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, sallallahu ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Okay, thank you everyone. Alhamdulillah, and see you next time. Bye bye.